Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you this awesome stud finder called the Stud Buddy. I highly recommend it. It's cheap and effective. It just uses two strong magnets, and I'm going to show you here real quick how strong these magnets are. So basically, this stud finder uses two really strong small magnets, and it grabs onto any kind of metal in the wall. So this is what it looks like here. I'm going to show you how strong it is. I'm grabbing a adjustable wrench, and you can see that even when I shake it, it won't come off. And I'm going to go ahead and try this Phillips screwdriver here. So if you want to check this product out, I have the link in the description below. I'm also going to try to grab this hammer here, and obviously it won't grab the wood, but if there's any metal in the handle or the top, it'll grab it. Now I'm going to try some of these sockets here, and it'll pick up the whole thing even though it's kind of heavy. I'm really impressed with this thing, and I feel like a little kid because I've been playing around with it. I own a lot of stud finders. Like I said, I have one that has a battery to it with a laser, and honestly this one is really cheap and effective, does the job just as good as the other ones. As you can see here, it really grabs metal really quick. You can see it has two magnets there at the very bottom, but I'm going to show you here real quick how it grabs onto the corner of the wall. Since there is a supporting trim around the edge of the wall that's metal, it'll grab that. Anything that's not metal, it'll just fall off. So you basically just kind of go in a zigzag pattern, and most of these studs in the wall are about 12 inches or a foot on center. And so this washer right here, or dryer, is made out of metal, and you can see how it just clings right onto it. So I've used this awesome stud finder for several projects around the home, and this is a really good example of one where I had a drywall repair, and I just wanted to show you how the stud finder works. So I'm going to pull this back, the drywall here, and you're going to see there is a drywall screw, and that is what the stud finder grabs onto. Here's what it looks like from the side, and right next to it should be another stud about 12 inches on center. So I'm going to show you that real quick. But directly above me there's another drywall screw, and so that's why I grabbed that. And here's off to the left, there's another stud right off to the left side here. And I'll show you what it looks like from the inside of the drywall. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check this awesome product out, check out the link down in the description below. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you all for watching.